Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever we upload a video. And thank you for all your love and support on all our videos. It really means a lot to us. So today we're going to talk about the Paytm by 197 Communications Limited IPO, and this is the All You Need to Know IPO series. Paytm is definitely one of the most awaited IPOs. 197 Communications Limited was incorporated in 2000. It is India's leading digital ecosystem for consumers as well as merchants. As of March 31st, 2021, the company has a 333 million plus client base and 21 million plus registered merchants to whom it offers payment services, financial services, and commerce and cloud services. In 2009, the company launched the first digital mobile payment platform, Paytm app, to offer cashless payment services to customers, and now it became India's largest payment platform and the most valuable payments brand, with a total brand value of 6.3 billion US dollars, as per Cantor Brands India 2020 report. The app enables customers to do cashless transactions at stores, top up mobile phones, online money transfers, pay bills, access digital banking services, purchase tickets, play games online, buy insurance, make investments, and more. However, merchants can use the platform for advertising, online payment solutions, offering products to customers, and loyalty solutions. The competitive strengths of the company are as follows. It is India's leading digital payment service platform. It has a strong brand identity with a brand value of 6.3 billion US dollars. It has a large customer base with 333 million total customers, 114 million annual transacting users, and 21 million registered merchants. Paytm Super App is to access a wide range of digital payment services over mobile phones. The objects of the issue as to why the company is being listed are as follows. The primary reasons are for growing and strengthening Paytm ecosystem, including through acquisition and retention of consumers and merchants, and providing them with greater access to technology and financial services of, of approximately 4,300 crores, investing in new business initiatives, acquisitions, and strategic partnerships of rupees 2,000 crores, and for general corporate purposes. So, the net proceeds from the IPO will be utilized for these purposes. The company financials are as follows. If we take a look at the company financials, Paytm share price has surged in the unlisted market following the announcement of the company's initial public offering. Paytm stock has almost doubled in the unlisted market to up to rupees 24,000 according to the people who deal in shares of unlisted companies. Paytm shares in the unlisted market were trading at rupees 11,000 to 12,000 per share before the IPO news. In just 5 days after the IPO news, the share price rose to 21,000 according to the dealers. The shares of Paytm were available at very cheap valuations prior to the news, and the valuation gap led to heavy demand amongst the investors, and shares almost rallied over 100% in a week. The IPO details are here under. The IPO opens on November 8th, 2021 and closes on November 10th, 2021. It is a book-built issue IPO with a face value of rupees 1 per equity share, and the IPO price in the market lot range from 2080 to 2150 per equity share. The market lot is 6 shares. The minimum order quantity is 6 shares. It's going to get listed at the BSE and the NSE with a total issue size of equity shares of rupees 1 aggregating up to 18,300 CR, with a fresh issue of equity shares of rupees 1 aggregating up to 8,300 CR, and the offer for sale will be of equity share of rupees 1 aggregating up to 10,000 CR. So let's take a look at the position of Paytm in the industry. Paytm is the company's leading provider of digital payments and transactions and is all set to maintain its leadership position in the digital payment space. Paytm has also been dominating India's mobile payment ecosystem. What are the plans of expansion of Paytm? The last year has witnessed Paytm increase its revenue and expand its services. So presently, it has managed to expand beyond digital payments and has entered the world of banking, credit cards, offering financial services and wealth management in addition to offering digital wallets. The competitors of Paytm have successfully managed to ward off competitors including overseas rivals like Amazon Pay, Facebook's WhatsApp Pay, Google Pay, and Walmart. Owned PhonePe, Paytm occupies the biggest market share of the country's merchant payments. The Paytm IPO timetable is as follows. The IPO opens on November 8th, closes on November 10th. The basis of allotment date is November 15th. The initiation of refunds in case you don't get an allotment takes place on November 16th. The credit of shares to Demat account takes place on November 17th, and the IPO finally gets listed on November 18th, 2021. The Paytm IPO market lot size is 6 shares. A retail individual investor can apply for up to 15 lots or 90 shares or of rupees 1,93,500. So that will be all from my side for this video. I hope the video was helpful and informative for you all. Please stay tuned for more such videos. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye. See you.